Our new trick hammer! The new thing to jerk some blocks. You wanna have a great time to jerk more blocks? Well, that's right. We still have the jerk hammer. And the jerk hammer. The jerk hammer. The jerk hammer is easy. You just start it. It's easy to do this. Just make your hand go up and down. You can't let it go just one big time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It jerks block. Looks like you rumbling the engine. The engine. Oh. Oh no! It looks like I broke the. I broke the jerk hammer. I broke the jerk hammer. The jerk hammer. Oh no! Construction site where all the construction workers get to work. Hey, where is Harley sitting at? She's sitting by the truck. And what is the crane doing? He's standing by himself. Let's check on Jeremy and Simon. Looks like Jeremy and Simon are about to release the barriers. Oh, I fell. Let's see. Aha. We need to give one barrier with a crane. Now let's check what he's doing. Time to mix the cement. Ooh, that's new. Ooh, he's got it. Okay, wait until he puts it back. Then he will dry and take first dip.